The plastic waste problem. Have you ever wondered how much plastic waste we produce each year? It's a staggering amount. Globally, we generate over 300 million tons of plastic each year. That's equivalent to the weight of the entire human population. This plastic waste, much of it single-use items, ends up in our oceans, landfills, and even in the stomachs of wildlife. It's a crisis of epic proportions, a ticking time bomb threatening our planet and its diverse ecosystems. Plastic waste is not just an environmental problem, it's a health hazard too. Tiny particles of plastic known as microplastics infiltrate our food chain and water supply, posing risks to human health. Yet despite the mounting evidence of the dangers of plastic waste, we struggle to manage it effectively. Recycling, while helpful, can only do so much. Most plastics take hundreds of years to decompose, and even then, they break down into harmful microplastics. But as the plastic waste problem intensifies, so does our need for innovative solutions. We need a game changer, something that can tackle the plastic waste problem at its root. But what if there was a natural solution to this synthetic problem? Recent years, scientists have made a groundbreaking discovery. A discovery that might just hold the key to tackling our planet's pressing plastic waste problem. Meet Pestalozziopsis microspora, a humble mushroom with an extraordinary appetite for one of the most stubborn pollutants on Earth, plastic. This intriguing mushroom was discovered deep in the Ecuadorian rainforest, a place teeming with biodiversity and potential. It's here, among the lush foliage and vibrant wildlife, that scientists unearthed a fungus unlike any other. Pestalozziopsis microspora, as it was named, displayed a unique and incredible ability. It could consume polyurethane. Polyurethane, a common type of plastic, is notorious for its resistance to decomposition. It lingers in our landfills and oceans, causing significant harm to our ecosystems. But for Pestalozziopsis microspora, this stubborn material is a feast. The mushroom happily devours polyurethane, breaking it down into organic matter. This remarkable trait of Pestalozziopsis microspora didn't go unnoticed. Researchers have been conducting studies into this plastic-gobbling fungus, exploring how we might harness its abilities to combat our plastic waste problem. The potential is enormous. If we could use this mushroom on a large scale, we may have a natural, sustainable solution to one of our most enduring environmental challenges. But like all scientific discoveries, it's a journey of exploration and understanding. We're still learning about Pestalozziopsis microspora and its plastic-eating habits. We're still figuring out how to apply this discovery in a practical, effective way. But one thing is for sure. This fungus could be a game-changer in our fight against plastic pollution. So, could these mushrooms be the answer to our plastic waste problem? Well, the potential is certainly there. Imagine a future where our waste management systems are supplemented with these remarkable fungi, the plastic-eating mushrooms working tirelessly to break down plastic waste. Ongoing research is showing promising results, suggesting that these mushrooms could play a significant role in addressing the monumental issue of plastic pollution. However, it's not all smooth sailing. The use of these mushrooms on a large scale presents its own set of challenges. For instance, the speed at which these mushrooms can break down plastic is currently not fast enough to keep up with the rate at which we generate plastic waste. Also, it's important to consider possible ecological impacts of introducing these fungi into new environments. Moreover, there's the question of what happens to the breakdown products. The mushrooms convert plastic into organic matter, but are there any residual toxins left behind? This is a key area for further research. Also, we can't overlook the fact that while these mushrooms could help manage existing plastic waste, they don't address the root cause of the problem, our excessive production and consumption of plastic. So while the idea of using plastic-eating mushrooms to combat plastic pollution is exciting, it's essential to approach it with a balanced view. It's not a magic bullet, but one piece of the puzzle in our quest for sustainable solutions. It's clear that while we may not have all the answers yet, the plastic-eating mushroom holds promising potential. We wait for science to unlock the full potential of these mushrooms. There's still a lot we can do. Each one of us has the power to make a significant impact on the plastic waste problem. It starts with the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reducing our plastic consumption is the first step. We can make conscious choices like opting for products with less packaging, carrying reusable shopping bags, and saying no to single-use plastics. Next, we can reuse. Instead of throwing away plastic items after a single use, let's find ways to repurpose them. A plastic bottle, for instance, can be used as a plant holder, And finally, we recycle. If a plastic item has served its purpose and can't be reused, ensure it goes into a recycling bin, not a trash can. Also, let's not forget the power of our fork. By choosing plant-based foods, we can reduce the demand for plastic packaging that comes with animal-based products. Remember, it's not just about doing the right thing. It's about creating a future where our planet thrives, where our children and grandchildren can enjoy the beauty of a world free from plastic waste. Together, we can make a difference. The solution to the plastic waste problem begins with you.